Hi everybody, it's Amy. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to do so if you enjoy my video. So guys, I went to two Dollar Trees. I have two separate ones that I go to near where I live. One of them I call my favorite Dollar Tree. It is a smaller Dollar Tree, but it is super clean and organized, and I just absolutely love everyone that works there. And then I have one that's about a half hour or so away from me, and that one I call the Big Dollar Tree. So if you ever click on my videos and I say, went to the Big Dollar Tree or I went to my favorite Dollar Tree, it's two separate stores. I do like the Big Dollar Tree as well. It's just I don't know them there as much, and I guess I'm just calling it the favorite Dollar Tree because I'm in there so often and everyone is so kind to me because I've gotten to know them over the years. So anyway guys, in the Big Dollar Tree there were a few of the new items that I was looking for. My Dollar Tree only had a couple of new items, so that's why I'm combining these together. I felt like separately they didn't have enough footage to show you guys in two separate videos. So let's do the haul first, and then you can stay tuned if you'd like to see the new items. And I gotta tell you, up here in Connecticut, down here, over here, wherever you are compared to Connecticut, we have been getting stuff in general super late. I've been noticing a lot of the YouTubers that live down south or, you know, mid-United States get these items so much quicker than we do. It's not our store's fault. It just seems to happen that way. So the first thing I found at the Big Dollar Tree that I really wanted was the Pure Silk Shampoo Tea Tree Oil. And I got two of the shampoos, two of the conditioners actually. So one for me, one set for myself and one set for my daughter. So I was really happy to find this. If you guys have tried this, please let us know in the comment section below, because it's super helpful for people watching the videos if you help to review the products. It's just awesome to have honest feedback so that people don't waste their money and buy things that maybe they won't end up liking. So definitely let me know in the comments below. Let us all know. They are 14 fluid ounces, and tea tree oil is really good for your scalp, especially if you have oily hair. It says it nourishes and refreshes. So it smells amazing. When I was a hairdresser for 20 years, Paul Mitchell had tea tree, and of course I always recommended it, especially to the men. So if you have a guy in your life, or if you're a guy watching this video, tea tree is usually a great product to have for your hair. So let's move on to the next item. So part of what I've been doing is kind of minimalizing the amount of items I had in my house. I was super gung-ho couponing for years, and I have accumulated a lot of things. One of the things I've accumulated a lot of is body wash, but it's Suave body wash. And to be honest, it gets old, it gets boring, it's all the same smells. I have so much of it. So I'm going to start donating some of it and giving some to friends and family. And that's the only way I can justify buying anything new as far as body wash. But this is amazing. It smells so good. It's the Pure Silk Spa Therapy Coconut and Oat Flower. Oat flower soothes the skin. It says enriched with vitamins A, C, and E, along with soothing aloe. So tea tree for the shampoo and conditioner, and coconut, two of my favorite things. So I did buy 4 of them, and I'm going to give 4 away. I've made it a pack to myself. If I bring anything in that I already have, that I have to get rid of it. So just kind of recycling through. Plus the product's starting to get a bit old, to be honest. I've had it for so long. I think you start to extreme coupon, you think you need so much stuff. And it's been great not to have to purchase any of those items, but it does get rather boring. The scents, Suave body wash just isn't that great. It's okay. I mean, it gets you clean. I don't know. It's just not very exciting. And this stuff smells so good. I also wanted to let you guys know that these bags are also from Dollar Tree, and I really love them. I know, super corny, but I do love them. Totally my style. So super cute. So I bought 2 of them to put my items in when I left the store, just to save on the, you know, plastic bags. Okay, so nothing super exciting as far as the food goes, but the Wonder Bread is normally 2 for $4 in the store. My store actually near me, Stop and Shop, it's actually more expensive than $2. So when I found the Wonder Bread, it's great. It expires, I believe, on the 29th, so there is time for sure. So I just grabbed a loaf of bread. I grabbed the Catalina dressing because I love it, and I grabbed the Hamburger Helper Stroganoff just because sometimes you just want like a really cheap, easy meal that sticks to your ribs kind of food. So this does it for me. I don't know why, but it does. I eat it like once every other week, and it just seems to be yummy, and then the next day I have it for lunch. So yeah, super simple. Okay guys, it got so much darker in here because we have a major rainstorm with some thunder going on. I have every light in the house on, guys. I'm so super sorry. Let me see if I get closer, if that'll be better. So we have already seen the Petty Perfect products at Dollar Tree, but I absolutely wanted to get more because I really love these things. I can give myself my home pedicure. I actually use the nail file as well. When I change out my nails, I like get the cuticles off my fingers. It's just awesome. I love them so much, and I'm sure there will not be any when I run out. So I was like, I'm stocking up on these because it saves me so much money from going to get a pedicure to doing it at home or doing my own nails. And these things really, really work well. So I did grab 4 of them. You've seen them a million times, I'm sure. I grabbed some antacids, nothing super exciting. Those do work really good for me anyway. And then I have the Kiss nails on. These fit my hands perfectly. And I bought 4 packs. So there's 3 in the picture. But I bought 4 thinking I was going to need 2 per set. Because normally when I buy Dollar Tree nails, I always have to get 2 sets of them to be able to do both of my hands. Because I like them to fit like perfect, where it doesn't even look like I have nails on. So I didn't realize that they had the perfect amount in here. And I only had to use 1 package. They are super long, and I know a lot of you guys saw these a while ago. We just got them. That's how it rolls. I am so super happy now because I have 3 more sets. I thought I was only going to have 2 sets, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, what else? Oh, silly. I'm sorry, I got distracted. Now that I'm over here by this front window, I can hear everybody that comes in. I got the Angel of Mine Baby Room Air Freshener, guys. If you have not used this, let me move these out of the way. You absolutely should try it. I've been telling everyone on my channel for like 2 years that I love this stuff because I really do. The scent lasts a really long time and it's super fresh and clean and smells like baby powder, and I absolutely love, love, love it. Seems to get rid of any odor. I have dogs, you know, that type of stuff. I honestly spray it on my bed every morning when I make my bed. It's just like a weird little thing that I do, but I absolutely love it because when I get in it at night, it just smells so fresh and clean. I just love it. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Try these. These might look good because they're round and they're a little bit smaller. And you like blue. Oh, those look good. Go look at them. You like those, or you want to try some different?